In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find distressed properties on Zillow. Whether you're a real estate investor on the hunt for a great deal or someone looking to buy a home that you can refurbish and make your own, knowing how to find distressed properties can give you a great advantage. So, let's dive right in and see how you can locate these hidden gems using Zillow's platform. First off, you'll want to head over to the Zillow Foreclosure Center. This section of Zillow is specifically tailored to showcase listings of distressed properties across the United States. By starting your search here, you're immediately tuning into a selection of properties that fit the nature of what you're seeking. To get there, navigate through Zillow's main site until you find the section dedicated to foreclosures. It's your gateway to a host of opportunities. Once you're in the foreclosure section, the next step is to utilize the listing type filter. Enter the location you're interested in into the search bar, and this could be a specific city or even a broader area, depending on where you're looking to find properties. After you set your location, click on Listing Type to refine your search even further. Here, you have the option to choose from three main classifications: pre-foreclosures, foreclosures, and foreclosed. Pre-foreclosures refer to properties where the homeowner has defaulted on their payments, but the foreclosure process isn't yet complete. Foreclosures are those properties that are now bank-owned, having fully undergone the foreclosure process. Foreclosed denotes properties currently being processed for foreclosure. Selecting from these categories can help you find properties at various stages of distress, depending on what your strategy involves. But that's not all. You'll also want to refine your search with additional filters. Adjust the settings, such as price range, the number of bedrooms, and even square footage. Tailoring each of these parameters helps you zero in on properties that not only align with your goals, but also fit within your budget and requirements. Additionally, consider using specific keywords in your searches. Phrases like fixer-upper, needs work, handyman special, or as is can be indispensable in identifying listings that may need some level of repairs. These keywords are often used by sellers to describe properties that might be available at a discount due to their condition and can be ideal for those ready to take on a renovation project. By following these steps and combining the powerful features Zillow offers with strategic filters and keyword use, you'll be well on your way to discovering distressed properties that could turn into valuable investments or the home of your dreams with a little bit of work. Remember, like any real estate venture, patience and diligence are key, so take the time to explore different options and analyze each property thoroughly.